Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Walgreens preview for the week of May the 10th to the 16th. Let's talk about the boosters right off the bat. We have a 10 back when you spend 45. That's on everything in store and online. And these two, I believe, are online exclusives. A 3 back when you buy 2 P&G Dental Care, and a 5 back when you buy 3 Huggies products. Monday, we will definitely do some deals with these and see the best way to utilize all of them, but go and load them right away and then come right back to the video. Okay, so please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 10th. And also when you are in store, double, triple check that the prices are ringing up properly. We had a lot of issues the week previous, but it was also a new month. So these things sometimes happen. Special happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, or if you're a dog mom or a cat mom, the biggest happy Mother's Day to you. And in celebration of Mother's Day, we have a free 8x10 photo with the code MVPMOM. You can do that as early as today, which is Saturday the 9th. 1 8x10 per account. And don't forget to punch in your phone number in case a paper booster may print for you. Always a year mile may vary with that, but I would definitely give it a shot. Why not? And go and get your print. If you guys could do me a huge favor, a little Mother's Day magic for me, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have that hype button, if you want to press it, I would also be very grateful. It really helps out the channel and the video. Let's get right into the deals. The first one is the $1.99 Arm & Hammer for the pods, the liquid, and the scent beads. This is a very good price because it's usually like $8 at the pharmacy. Grabbing 3 of these for $5.97. If you want to use a register reward or some Walgreens cash, this is the sort of deal that if you're a new couponer, build your stockpile. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Why not? But build up your laundry care. I think it's a really smart thing to do because who doesn't love this stuff? Time to get a bit controversial. The Scott paper products. Buy one, get one 50% off. $2 reward when you buy 4. I would only go for paper because those paper towels are chintzy. I said it. 4 toilet papers would be $15 on a buy one, get one 50% off. They're usually $5 each. Getting back a $2 register reward, it makes it $13 for the 4 or $3.25 each. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Will we get a manufacturer coupon for this on Sunday? It'll bring it a lot less. Maybe they'll surprise me with a paper towel one, so I'll have to get paper towel next week, but we'll have to wait and see what they provide. The next deal that I absolutely love is the $8 Dove body wash, $4 reward when you buy 2 with a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these friends, it's $16. I prefer the sensitive one. I love it. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $11. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $7 for 2 or $3.50 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And the Garnier Fructis will probably be $3.99, 3 off the 2 digital coupon, and a $3 reward when you purchase 2. Very easy deal. Grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $7.98. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $4.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is the Tresemme hair care for $6, the large bottles of magic, $4 reward when you buy 2, and a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of them for $12, subtracting your coupon, you will pay $8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per bottle. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another deal that we have is the $5 Crest Oral-B Burt's Bees blah blah blah. $3 reward when you buy 2 with a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of those mouth rinses that are usually part of it, or the floss picks, that's $5 each, so 2 of them is $10. Subtracting the coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $4 for the 2 or $2 per item. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I'm not brand loyal, so this is the deal I like a lot better, to grab 2 of the $5 Colgate dental care products with the 5 off 2 digital coupon, $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of those for 10, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay 5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And for whatever reason, I'm always going to be Colgate loyal. Even with all the prices increasing and so on and so forth the last couple years, they've always kept this at 50 cents. Love this product. And this is all we use in our house actually, is Colgate toothpaste and their brushes. And now we have the deal with the Listerine that's still here, the $10 Kenvu when you spend 20. Make sure the bottles are ringing up for $7 each. We have a $1 digital coupon. So grabbing 3 of these Listerines for 21, subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay 20, get back a $10 register reward, making it 10 for 3 or $3.33 for a liter bottle. That's a no-brainer right there. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I would definitely stock up on this because I think it's just a really great deal any way you look at it. Soft soap and Irish Spring, a $3 reward when you buy 3 with the 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and they are priced at $5.99. Grabbing 3 of them, it's going to be $17.97. Subtracting the coupon, you'll pay $12.97. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.97 for the 3 or $3.32 each. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. That Kenvu booster, the 10 back, I would throw it into this deal if you want to do it, because I think it says on like bath care or something like that, or beauty health care. So why not? The Oli body wash, I will let you know this is only at larger market stores. A lot of stores, this is clearance, so you might be able to get this for free. $10 with a $4 digital if you can line that up for free, and then photograph your receipt to fetch for like 2,500 points. But if you just can find one for 10, subtracting that coupon, you'd pay 6, 2,500 points back from Fetch, making it $350. Double, triple check that you have that Fetch rebate before you do the deal, obviously. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But as I was saying earlier, if you can find this on clearance, say you can find 2 of them at $2 each, using that 4 off coupon, you would get 2 for free. Northern for $6.99, or the Brawny, whichever ones of these fancies you would like. We have $1.50 off, probably 2, $3 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of the Quilteds for $13.98, a fancier toilet paper that we typically don't get a ton of deals on. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $12.48. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9.48 for the 2 or $4.74 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. That Brawny, the paper towel, if you ever work with sourdough or dough, you know it's a really strong paper towel, so I might be stocking up on that one next week. The Axe body wash is buy one, get one 50% off with a 5 off a 2 digital coupon. Typically when they run this BOGO 50% off with a coupon, they're $5.99 each. So grabbing 2 of them, that would be $8.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but $1.99 for Axe, that's a very good deal. Let's dive really quickly, guys, into the honorable mentions. The first one goes to this. What is going to be $5? Because typically the Pantene Rescue Shots are $8, and that 5 off, what is it going to be? Is it going to be the Herbal Essence hairspray? Will that $5 coupon attach? $5 reward when you purchase 3. It has my interest, but I need details. All these Henkler products, I think they're giving back a $4 reward when we spend 20. There it is. Will IBOTTA have rebates to align with this, along with some coupons or IBOTTA to make it a better deal? We'll have to wait and see until Sunday for that. The food storage bags, the Walgreens ones, they're really great. They're buy one, get 2 for free. $2.79 for the first and then 2 for free. So it makes it 93 cents per box of 20. So you might want to stock up. Why not? And then we also have the buy one, get two for free on the trash bags. And typically this is like $4.99 divided by 3, so it's $1.66. It's for the medium or the smalls. The larges are not included, but also not a bad price point. With Memorial Day a couple weeks away, all these manufacturers for sodas and pop and chips and whatever, they want you to buy it for your parties. So Walgreens is definitely the place to get a smart deal, especially for sodas. So you might want to look there and use a bunch of Walgreens cash or register rewards, and $3 for the bag of Doritos when they're usually $4.09. That is not a bad deal, especially if you're entertaining for a crowd. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.